All right, Pac-Manians, here we are with 10.3. This is the unlocking the problem part. So we're basically been doing the same thing we've done the last couple of lessons, only we're going to do it with weight. So, and there's only 3 of them, so it's a lot simpler than the last lesson. We've got ounces, which are the smallest, right? So we need lots of them. We've got pounds in the middle, right? And then we've got tons, which weigh, wait for it, tons. Right? So they weigh a lot. So ounces, pounds, tons. 16 ounces in a pound, 2,000 pounds in a ton. Those are the only 2 things you got to remember. And then if I want to convert from big to small, I need many of the smalls, so I got to multiply. Right? If I go from small to big, I've got to divide because I need fewer. Right? So same thing here. So we've got Hector School is having a model rocket contest. That sounds fun. To be in the contest, each rocket must weigh 4 pounds or less. 4 pounds or less, so it can weigh 4 pounds, but it can't weigh more. Without any paint, Hector's rocket weighs 62 ounces. So Hector's is weighing in at 62 ounces. And if Hector wants to paint his rocket, what is the weight of the most paint he can use? So what weight does Hector need to convert? Well, we're gonna go pounds to ounces, right? Because multiplying is generally easier. So we're gonna go pounds, LBS, to ounces. All right, OZ. After Hector converts the weight, what does he need to do next? What is he gonna have to do? He's gonna have to find the difference between that and the 4 pounds. So find the difference, which means what kind of problem? Subtraction. All right. So 1 pound, you can count them up if you want, but this is a 4 by 4, 4, 8, 12, 16, or you can count by ones, or whatever you want to do if you want to verify what I'm saying is true, but that's going to be 16. Okay. You can convert 4 pounds to ounces. This model, again, for me, it's a little bit tough because I got to know how to add 16s, right? So it's 16. If I add another 16, that's 32. You could put them together like this. Right, and then that would be the same, and then you could add 32 plus 32, right, which is going to be 64, so I'm going to get 64, right, or I'm going to go 4 times 16, because that's how many ounces are in a pound. 1 pound would give me 16, so 2 is 2 times 16, 3 is 3 times 16, right, so I'm just adding and adding and adding. For me, I don't like doing it this way, so I'm going to rewrite it. Okay. 4 times 6, 24, got it. 4 times 1, 4 plus the 2, 6. So we got the same number here. This equals 64, all right? So 4 pounds is 64 ounces, and the rocket already weighs 62 ounces, so how many ounces could I add? So I can add as many as I can get up to 62, so you can do a subtraction problem. 64 minus 62, and of course side to side isn't my favorite. I might even do this, just write it right underneath there. 4 minus 2 is 2, right? Or you also just know that you could even count up 62, 63, 64, and you'd be done. So the most you could add then in the end is going to be 2 ounces. Easy first page. Let's go to the next one.